Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to use a Lenovo Smart Clock 2. This will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into the video. This is the Lenovo Smart Clock 2, and as you can see, it comes with a wireless charging dock, okay? So first and foremost, to use the wireless charging dock, make sure that the Lenovo Smart Clock 2 is plugged into the charging dock. Place your device that you want to charge on top of here, and it should start charging. In addition, there is a USB port on the back. You can plug in an additional wired charger to here, and then, a USB wired charger, like if you're using your cell phone charger wire, you can plug it into there and you can charge an additional device. So you get an alarm clock, a wireless charger, and a wired charger all in one, okay? Now to actually use the Lenovo Smart Clock 2, so first and foremost, this is sort of like your home screen. It's displaying the time, okay? If you swipe to the left, you get your alarms and you can set an alarm by tapping that. Choose your time and hit set and you'll have your alarm set, okay? Let's go back. So to go back, once again, from this screen and any screen pretty much, to go back, you just swipe right. You swipe from the left of the screen to the right section of the screen. So from here, from any screen, you swipe from left to right, just like that. And from the alarm screen, if I swipe left one more time, you can go to your weather screen and it shows you the weather. Very simple and straightforward. I'm going to swipe right twice to go back to the home screen. At this point, there are basically three things that you can do. You can swipe down. Let's try that again. Swipe down. That gives you a few options. So you can set an alarm, good night, play music, and turn your nightlight on or off, okay? So you can tap whichever one of those you need. Very, very simple and very, very straightforward, okay? And then you can also swipe up. And swiping up will give you the various options. So this is for your display brightness. That's for your volume. That's for your do not disturb. So you can turn your do not disturb on or off. This is for your settings. So once that disappears, I will tap the settings. And in your settings, you see that you can do your settings for your night light to set the brightness, the duration, the display settings. You can change your clock face, which I'll show you in just a moment, and a few other things at the bottom. But I don't want to scroll down. I'm going to just hit the X. Instead, you can see right here, we have clock face, display settings, night light, and all of that is under system settings. If I scroll down, you're going to see my Wi-Fi network name, and I don't want to reveal that in this video. This video might get 10 views. It might get 10 million views. Who knows? Right? So I'd rather not, okay? If you want to change your clock face, you can do it through the settings that I showed you right there, or you can press and hold down on the clock, and you can swipe through and choose a different clock face. You can also edit the settings for that clock face by pressing that little pencil icon over there, okay? I'm going to swipe back once again to go back to the home screen. And like I said, to change the clock face, you just actually tap it. So let's say I wanted this one right here. I would just tap it and it chooses that clock face now. And like I said, you can edit the settings for what is displayed and stuff on using that pencil icon, okay? Lastly, there are only two buttons on it. A plus and a minus. You push the plus, it's going to increase your volume. As you can see, you push the minus, it's going to decrease your volume. It's literally that simple. And there's no on or off switch. In order to turn it on, you plug it in and you give it about 15-20 seconds to boot up at the maximum. And to turn it off, you unplug it. It's that simple. Very easy to use. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.